Oh my god, guys, you're not ready for this. Ooh, it's perfect. It's perfect. Oh, sometimes I outdo myself. Hello. How are you today? Oh, I'm fantastic. Thank you so much for asking. I'm actually very excited because I haven't filmed an interior haul in like, I'd say, months. Because normally, like, I just see, okay, guys, I'm gonna be real with you right now, okay? I have a few projects on at the moment, and these are some items from one of them, and also one of the items from another one. So just give you a little kind of sneak peek to see what you can be expecting over the next couple of months. This one is finishing tomorrow, so let me just make sure there's no labels of my address. So yes, I went to Zara Home, and also I have one item from Pookie Lights, and I'm very excited to show. So without further ado, let me put that aside for a second, let's just jump into this. Okay, I'm gonna start off with this box. I'm so excited about this. I've had these in the box for the past 3 days because I wanted to sit down and film this. I didn't even peek. And I have to film it now because I have to go to site after this to put them in place. And bearing in mind, it's coming 9 o'clock at night. And I've just driven down from Galway, which is a 2.5 hour drive. And I drove up to Galway this morning. But anyway, I'm not going to whine about my schedule. Ooh, okay, let's start with this box. Ooh, okay, this is my little vase. Oh, I love this. This is the first item that I picked for this project. But look at this. This is not the cutest little thing ever. Oh, I love that. Oh, like the little flowers coming out of it. I think that's fantastic. I just love the lines on it. It's very soft. Ooh, so nice. This is smaller than I thought. It's like the same size as my head, which is quite large. So I mean, maybe it is quite large. I don't know. But yeah, I do like this. This was from Zara Home, and I'll have the prices on the screen here. So if you're interested in buying it, I'll have it linked down below. If it's still in stock, because I mean, Zara Home items sell out super duper fast, and you know, I don't want you to be left hanging. I want you to be able to get it. Next item is, oh, I'm excited to see what this one looks like actually. These are all the vases obviously in this box. I got quite a few vases. I was thinking there's one more item, it's H&M. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. I like that a lot. It's like a little kind of flower coming out of the top. Can it sit on the shelf or something? I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I just really like this. I saw this, and I like this. If this is gonna give you an idea of the aesthetic of this place, of this space, I don't know what will. It's very, you know, also, let me tell you another hint, that's something that's in the space. There's an olive tree, so if that doesn't give you the vibe that we're going for, I don't know what will. But this is very, you know, Mediterranean, you know, or like, actually it's more, I don't know how to describe it. It's very relaxed, natural, organic, just very fresh and clean, and just, it's a very nice space. And I must say, I cannot wait to share it with you. One thing that's delaying the project though is the dining chairs, so once they arrive I'll be able to film it and put it up, but they're being made. So, what? Did I order 2 of these? I think they actually accidentally sent me 2 of these because I didn't, oh, there's 2 of them now, so one can go in detail here. Oh, I almost spoiled the project. Ooh, oh look at, oh, okay, so this is for said olive tree. I mean, are you getting the vibes? Oh, it smells quite nice. It smells very like organic or something. It's very nice. I like this. This is the perfect size as well. I'm glad I didn't get the bigger size. This is perfect. Is there a price on this one? No, there's no prices on any of them. That's fantastic. But it's a seagrass, I think. It has this wiring on it. It's very nice. I like it a lot. It's very that organic, you know, handmade type of vibe, and I'm here for it. So yeah, I like that. Ooh, this is cool. Okay, so this is another basket. This is going to be going on the, almost gave it away, on one of the surfaces in this space with like some fruit and stuff in it. I just think that's fantastic. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. What else is in here? Oh, what are these? Oh, my candlesticks. Oh, tough. Let's rip these off. Oh, I better not rip them off just in case they need to be returned. But oh yeah, these are lovely. Yeah, they're lovely. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, you're not ready for this. Oh my god, the vibes are just immaculate. Like, hello, is this not gorgeous? It's like, I was kind of nervous it was gonna be like that matte black, but it looks like it's again handcrafted and just, you know, thrifted, or I could have thrifted it, but you know, whatever. It's gorgeous. I love that, like the kind of that iron kind of material. It's very nice. And I also got candlesticks to go in this, which is fantastic. But the surface that these are going on hasn't arrived yet, so there's that. Just one of the many benefits of this job. Oh, I'm excited to see this. Okay, so this adds something different to the mix. Perfect. Oh my goodness, Zara, you've just came through. Like, hello. Is this not? Does that just not just like all these different like materials are just everything. I might get like some kiwis and put them in this. I'm thinking. Also, I got myself. Well, no, I didn't get myself. I got for this project a little kind of cookbook stand, which I thought was, oh my gosh, if it can come out, it was super cute. Like, oh yeah, that's lovely. Yeah, so it leans. Oh yeah, and I have like the little kind of brass kind of cut in. Oh god, this is just like perfect. Oh my goodness. Like, wow. It's perfect. It's perfect. I'm just so unbelievable. I just love like the little kind of brass kind of details on them. Like, they're just so stunning. Quite nice, aren't they? These are the I'm giving this whole project away, but I don't even care. These are the table mats for the dining space. You know, again, very, you know, colourful and just nice. This adds a bit of pop, I think. Which is gorgeous. One more item. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, this is lovely. This is a tray. And where might this be going, you might ask? Well, you just have to wait and see, aren't you? Because I know where this is going, and it's going to look fabulous. Maybe this bowl. Oh, yeah. Oh, sometimes I outdo myself. Sometimes I outdo myself. Like, wow. I just don't think you're ready for this, you guys. I just don't think you're ready for this. And the fact that I know you're not ready for it makes me even more excited to share it. Hey guys, that's everything in there. Now one more box. I'm dying to see these lights. Oh my goodness. Ooh, ooh, oh, guys. Are you ready? Oh, wow. This is just absolutely. Okay, who wrapped this? Because honestly, okay, well anyway, you get the gist. Oh, like, how gorgeous is that? Oh my god, that's so nice. That is so nice. Also, you can't even see it. That is so beautiful. And you can twist this as well, so you can aim it down a bit more. Okay, let me read it again. Okay, guys. So basically, I recorded a whole outro there, but then I didn't have my mic on, so that's fantastic. As I was saying there, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite piece was down in the comment section. I know what mine is because, hello, I picked them all. I love every single piece of them. I love all of them. But I'm really interested to see what your favorite piece was. So leave it down in the comment section. And keep an eye out for these projects over the next couple of months because they're going to be coming out very soon. And I don't think you're ready for them. And that makes me even more excited because I don't think you're ready for them. Because I'm not ready for them to be out because they're so beautiful. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.